Welcome back again for the Sunday edition of No Edits Crypto, episode 273. I'm not sure if everybody's caught their breath from that climb we had yesterday, but first, a little bit of news. ConsenSys CEO predicts Trump re-election, Facebook breakup, and crypto revival. It was 2047, not 2019, in ConsenSys CEO Joseph Lubin's keynote address Saturday in Red Hook, Brooklyn. To close out the 2019 Ethereum Summit in Brooklyn, he foresaw a future where assets had all been tokenized. The web was completely decentralized, and networks organized around topical interests had become roughly as important to human life as nation states. Notably, Lubin predicted President Donald Trump would win a second term in 2020, which I also predict. He foresaw those following 4 years as marking a downturn in American civilization, marked by an increase in radical divisions and even hate crimes. This isn't really too big of a leap here. The turnaround would only arrive, he predicted, when Facebook, finally admitting its role in global radicalism, broke itself into Facebook Media, the news feed, and OpenBook, a decentralized social web that any startup could tap into. This already exists with Steem, the Steem blockchain, which I mentioned in my book, Blockchain Project Renaissance, available on Amazon by R.L. Breyer. In Lubin's vision, most of the progress since 2019 can be linked back one way or another to ConsenSys, despite a 2018 that ended with broad layoffs and challenges in spinning out incubated startups. Lubin foresaw a medium-term future where, as he put it from his 2047 perch, liberal democracy was on its deathbed, which would be a great thing since democracy is mob rule. Into the second story. That story, pretty interesting. Into the second story, Bitcoin price. It's just interesting to hear a CEO talk so frankly. Second story is BitMex price above 7.5K yesterday as Bitcoin, as BitMex sets record $10 billion volume. Bitcoin price has gone parabolic. The past week saw its value go up nearly a whopping 40%. But is it now time for a blow-off top or full FOMO to the moon? Let's take a look. Bitcoin price 71.30 at news time or at press time. This is from the Bitcoinist. Has made the naysayers look foolish once again. BTC has soared a staggering 40% over the last week. It was actually up more than $1,500 in the last week. I think it might even been closer to $1,600. Moreover, BTC USD has more than doubled since December-February lows. Just yesterday, it broke the $7,000 mark in some impressive volume, the highest volume since the April 1st rally. In fact, BitMex has announced it achieved record volume on May 11th, a Saturday nonetheless. So it's pretty funny. It goes on to say Bitcoin's market cap has also doubled or added 30 billion in value since May, since the beginning of May. By comparison, the market cap of every cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin has only risen 10 billion during the same period. Hence, Bitcoin's market dominance index is now the highest since its 20K all-time high price in 2017. Indeed, the voices of ardent no-coiners like Nouriel Roubini, who danced on Bitcoin's grave in November, have gone quiet. Also, it's funny, you see all these people talking poorly about Bitcoin in the bear market and saying we hadn't reached the bottom. Some of them, the TA people. And I saw some tweets come out yesterday of these guys saying they were going to start cost averaging into the market. And that leads into the segue of today, where we're down $9 billion in the last hour. So we've dipped that back below 7K. Bitcoin up to still 2.88% for the last day, 24 hours, but hourly is down 2.65% at 69.09, $6,909 USD. Ethereum down 2.89%, 183.20. Bitcoin Cash had a monster day. It led all performers that I cover, at least. It was at $285 the day before, and actually hit, I think, $280 on some exchanges. So it almost had $100 gainer day per BCH. Right now it's up 8.65% still for the last 24 hours, $342.97. Litecoin had a pretty good day too. It was up over $90 at some point. It's dipped back to $4.50, down 1.11% now for the last 24 hours. EOS down 0.57%, $5.27. Binance Coin down 0.06%, $20.37. Monero down 2.09%, $72.09. Dash down 0.61%, $116.85. Ethereum Classic down 1.92%, $5.73. Neo down 4.75%, $9.09. Steem was around 32 cents. Let's double check. Yeah, Steem currently down 3.39% at 31 cents. Flash currently at 0.0031 cent and is currently down 8.51% for the last 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance has swollen to 59.25% and aggregate market cap over 200 billion, as I noted, at 207,651,969,000. So this is not financial advice, but now is not the time to FOMO in, as we've dipped below 7K. I don't think it's a good time to decide to get in here after we've seen some major moves the last week, especially. This year, since February 8th, when I called the bottom of this market, we have gone up over 110% now, I think. So it's pretty unbelievable. I think we can call the end to the crypto winter, obviously, even the skeptics. But do your own research as always, and make your own decisions. Long term is probably still a great time to buy Bitcoin, as I think it's going over 100K in the next 2 years. But like I said, everybody is responsible for their own economic maneuvers. Everyone have a good Sunday.